Caseware RCT Spring 2020 release brings you data visualization and more automation to financial statements. Featuring automatic rounding in financial statements, so you can easily locate the account where rounding has been applied and change it if you need to. All the while keeping your financial statements balanced. Spring 2020 release introduces a behind-the-scenes balance check process, always running in the background as you work and automatically highlighting line items that are out of balance, so you can quickly spot and resolve discrepancies in financial statement areas and note disclosures. With the new calculation builder, create your own formulas in table cells. You can easily select balances from the trial balance or financial statements to use in your calculations. Provide your clients with a reliable frame of reference with year-over-year variance in the financial statements. You can add the variance column in percent change, dollar change, or both. Raise the bar on your financial statements with analysis graphs. Simply answer yes in the financial statements optimizer to include a detailed financial analysis section, complete with graphs that are ready for print or presentation. Analysis graphs are also available in certain note disclosures. With Caseware RCT's Spring 2020 release, elevate the way you prepare and present the financial statements. And have your say. Vote on your favorite Caseware features from the What's New page. Thanks for watching.